Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Yeah, just a quick update as we're heading into the weekend. It has been a very quiet day, not necessarily unexpected. In the previous video, I explained to you I'd like to see another low here in this correction to maybe complete it and then to start from either 1723 or 1754, also to possibly test the trend line and then to give us another extension in wave 3. Okay, is this now the low in? Is the low already in? Well, we can really only start to talk about that this wave 4 is over as soon as we see a break above the last swing high at 1812, but better would be a break above 1856. So there's still quite some work to do, and it would still need to push and give us some evidence that this correction in the wave 4 is over. Again, I mentioned in the Bitcoin video, how likely is it to see another rally end of Friday into Saturday? I'm not sure. You know, markets are closed in the US now, so there isn't going to be too much action probably. And even though, you know, Bitcoin obviously last weekend was quite exciting and Bitcoin started to decouple from the stock market quite a bit, where we had quite a bit of a sell-off in the stock market. I think some money, some capital, I think is flowing into crypto and gold possibly, as people are panicking a little bit as the stock market is selling off quite a bit, okay? And yeah, it will be very interesting. The next few weeks will be very interesting. But anyway, Ether hasn't really done much to give us any indication that this correction is over. I would expect it to be over soon. But at the same time, we're now heading into the weekend. And typically, I mean, most part of 2023, the weekends have been extremely boring. Now, that might have changed now. I mean, with the change in sentiment in the crypto market, maybe we start to get a little bit more action on the weekends, but it's too early to say. We've really only had the first time in a long time, last Saturday, a little bit of price action on the weekends. So let's see if maybe this becomes a regular thing. I think most people would welcome that. Let me know if you would welcome that. I would. I'd like to have exciting weekends, because this wave 4 is certainly long enough to be completed. It also has done enough waves to be completed. It's just that we haven't got any evidence the low is in, and likelihood to see a rally very late on Friday into Saturday is, yeah, I'm not sure. So the thing is, you know, what could ETH do? ETH could develop here, for example, a triangle over the weekend. So it could get a few more squiggles sideways. We might see a larger degree wave 4 play out. That is possible. I might then have to change maybe the micro count here a little bit, and might have to assume we are already here in the larger degree wave 4. Yeah, so that we don't get this last extension higher. That is possible though. That is possible. So the main support, as I said before, the main support for me to stay bullish is 1663. As long as this level is holding, I'm watching for higher. Ideally, I would like to get one more extension in wave 3, targeting $1,900 plus. $1,900 is a key level, because if we look at the daily chart, let me just look at the daily. You can see that the market is moving here in this descending price channel. It's in this Fibonacci resistance area, which without surprise is slowing the market down. It's just consolidating below the 1807 level, the 61.8 retracement. So it takes a sustained break above that level to suggest something more bullish is really going on. Yeah, not much more to add. So I have to leave you with that, because literally I've run out of things to say. I think everything is clear. Let me know if you have any questions, but hopefully we see a little bit of action on the weekend. If we see a bit of action, probably not on Saturday, but we'll see. Last Saturday was quite exciting as well. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. You can find the links in the video description. Also on Sunday, we run our member live stream, in which we will talk about, you know, what you could do if you think you missed the boat. So we just share a few thoughts around that topic, because obviously markets started to move, but you know, have they already moved too much, you know? So we talk about that, and also about the topic of hodling altcoins, I think. Yeah, thank you very much. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.